Now we will discuss upon prime factorization method. There are two methods of finding prime factorization method. First one is factor tree method, second one is division method. Factor tree method and division method. We will discuss it by taking an example of 48. Suppose we have to find the factor of 48. So first of all we will write here 48. First of all I will solve it by factor tree method. In case of factor tree method, first of all we write 48 here, we divide it by 2, answer what we get answer we write here, it is prime and this one is composite. So 2 is prime and 24 is composite. Next again we divide it by 2, we get 12. Next again we divide it by 2, we get 6. Again divide by 2, we get 3. So like this, in this side we all get prime and here we get composite. So if we write it prime factorization of 48, we write it 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So like this we solve the sum by using factor tree method. Now I will discuss by division method how we solve this sum by division method. 48 by division method. So first of all we divide it by 2, what the answer we get right here, then again 2, then again 2, then again 2, now it is 3. Here we divide it by 3. So prime factorization of 48 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So like this we solve 48 by the division method. This method is generally used for finding prime factorization method. We are using this method, division method we are generally using. So here in the rough you can divide here one by one if you are not able to do like this. Thank you. So next we see HCF. So there are two methods of finding HCF. Number one prime factorization method, number two division method. First of all we will discuss a problem based on the prime factorization method. So first sum is find HCF of 20 and 30 using prime factorization method. So first of all we find the factor of 20 like this, after that 30, 15 जो है वो 2 से नहीं जाता इसलिए हमें नेक्स्ट डिजिट 3 से लेना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट इज 5 1. So now we will write prime factorization of 20, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 5, and prime factorization of 30, that is 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Next what we see here, the common factor. कॉमन फैक्टर कौन कौन से है हमारे पास, एक तो 2 है, यहाँ 2 है, जहाँ 3, ऊपर वाली लाइन में 3 नहीं है. सो ऊपर नीचे दोनों लाइनों में 5 5 है. सो नेक्स्ट इज कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर. कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर कौन कौन से हमारे पास, एक तो 2 है, एक क्या है 5. सो लास्ट इज, सो देयरफॉर HCF हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर इज that is 2 multiply 5, so we get 10. Now I see the second method, that is division method. So here we going to solve one sum based on it. Find the HCF of 75 and 105 by the division method. So हमारे पास दो नंबर दिए हैं 75 and 105. Which one is smaller? Take it as a divisor. So here we divide it like this. First of all, on 1 we get here 30. Next 30 is a divisor and 75 we have to write here. 15. So like this we are continuous going on divide. When we get 0 we stop there. So what is, we get HCF by division method is equal to 15. So we get 15 as a HCF by the division method. So our next topic is LCM. First of all, full form क्या है LCM की? Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. So we can find LCM by using following three methods. Number one, LCM through multiples. Number two, LCM using prime factorization method. Number three, LCM using division method. So सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे सम विद LCM बाय यूजिंग मल्टीप्लाइज, नेक्स्ट बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, आफ्टर दैट बाय डिवीजन मेथड. लेट अस सी स्टेप बाय स्टेप. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी LCM थ्रू मल्टीप्लाइज. सो टेक एन एग्जांपल, फाइंड द LCM ऑफ 3, 6 and 9. So first of all we will write here multiple of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 so on. इसमें क्या करना है, हमें एक्चुअली 3 का टेबल ही लिख देना है. सो नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 6, 6, 12, so after that multiple of 9, that is 9, here we get 18 on that. तो क्या किया हमने, सबसे पहले 3 का टेबल लिख दिया, फिर 6 का, फिर 9 का. From these 3 we have to find the lowest common multiple. So इसमें से अगर हम चूज़ करें, इसमें 3 है और इसमें 3 नहीं है, इसमें 6 है, इसमें भी 6 है, पर इसमें 6 नहीं है, इसमें 9 है, इसमें 9 है ही नहीं, इसमें 9 है. नेक्स्ट इसमें 12 है, इसमें भी 12 है, इसमें 12 नहीं है. उसके बाद आता है 15, इसमें 15 है, इसमें 15 ही नहीं है, इसमें भी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज 18. 18 हमने देखा कि तीनों में है, 18 जो है वो तीनों में है. सो वो कॉमन मल्टीपल कौन सा है हमारे पास, 18. सो LCM ऑफ 3, 6, 9 is 18 answer. So like this you can solve the remaining sum. Thank you. Our next topic is find LCM by prime factorization method. So we will see here, we take 12 and 48. We find LCM by using prime factorization method. First of all, we divide 12 by 2, we get 6, then again by 2 we get 3, then again 3 by 1. After that 48, we divide it by 2, get 24, divided by 2 we get 12, then with 2 6, again by 2 3, here we get 3, so 3 3 is 1. After that we will write here factor of 12, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Next, factor of 48, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. After that common factor, these are, we can also mark here, 2 2 and 3. So last one is remaining factor. What are the remaining factor? That is 2 and 2. So after that we will find LCM. Now LCM of 12 and 48 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and 2 multiply 2. After multiplication, what we get? 2 multiply 2 4, 4 multiply 3 12, 12 multiply 2 24, 24 multiply 2, that is 48. Answer. Like this you can solve other sum. This is one method of writing common factor and remaining factor, and after that we have to find LCM. After this we can solve this problem by other method also, or by alternate method. You can see that method also. So that is simple. To find LCM, after finding these two things, we can directly find LCM. Count here, how many time 2 came? 1 2 3 4. Maximum time दोनों में कितनी बार आया 2? 4 time. So write 4 time 2. 1 2 3 4. After that 3. अगर कोई और भी टर्म हो वो भी हम देख सकते हैं कि वो मैक्सिमम बार कितनी बार आई है, उसको इधर ऐसे ही लिख दो. आफ्टर दैट यू मल्टीप्लाई 2 multiply 2 4, 4 multiply 2 8, 8 multiply 2 16, 16 multiply 3, that is 48. Like this you can solve sum also. So our last method is, that is division method. So we find LCM by the division method. So we take example, find LCM of 6 and 12 by using a division method. How we can solve it? Write 6 and 12 both here and go on divide by the smallest digit. First of all by 2, we get 3 here and here we get 6. After that again by 2, 3 देखो 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता तो राइट हेयर 3 एज इट. 6 जो है वो 2 के टेबल में आता है, जहाँ 6 जो है वो 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है. सो 6 को 2 से डिवाइड करके लिखो 3. यहाँ पे यही बात समझने वाली है. देखो क्या होता है कि सबसे पहले हमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से इसको डिवाइड करना है, गिवन नंबर को स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से डिवाइड करना है. वी टेक 2 हेयर, 2 से हमने डिवाइड किया, 6 भी डिवाइड हो गया, 12 भी डिवाइड हो गया. आफ्टर दैट वी गेट 3 and 6 हेयर. सो यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं बच्चे, जब 3 आ जाता है तो बच्चे यहाँ पे 3 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं, वो गलत है. हमें देखना है यहाँ 3 है, यहाँ 6 है. जो 6 जो है वो 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है, इसलिए हमने अगेन यहाँ पे 2 ही लेना है. सो 2 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे अगेन, वी गेट 3 एज इट इज़, एंड 6 को 2 से डिवाइड करके क्या आंसर आया 3। आफ्टर दैट नाउ 3 से दोनों ही डिवाइड होते हैं, सो 3 से डिवाइड कर दिया, वी गेट 1 and 1। सो वी स्टॉप हेयर, वी गेट एलसीएम। सो LCM of 6 and 12 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. What we get? 12 answer.